Hi, this is Mazadul Islam, PhD candidate at the Environmental Systems Analysis Group, Wageningen University and Research, the Netherlands. Part of the research done in this group addresses the present and future river fecal contaminations using both statistical and process-based models and scenario analysis. My research is based on the Betna River basin in the southwest of Bangladesh. The river water is highly contaminated with untreated wastewater discharges from the nearby urban areas of Satkhira. However, the river is widely used for household purposes, irrigation, and shellfish growing. People also bath and fish in the river and consume contaminated shellfish. This makes the population vulnerable to outbreaks of waterborne diseases. However, there is no system in place for monitoring of fecal contamination and very little knowledge exists on that. Therefore, I have measured fecal indicator bacteria, E. coli and Enterococci over 20 months in the river and found that over 88% of E. coli and all Enterococci samples exceeded the US EPA bathing water quality standards. So the river is not suitable for bathing or swimming. The results also revealed that bacteria concentration were higher during the wet season compared to the dry season. We found that after heavy rainfall, the bacteria concentrations become very high and remain high for 3 to 4 days. We also found that water temperature and rainfall positively and salinity negatively correlated with the bacteria concentrations. We have modeled the bacteria concentrations using the Mike hydrodynamic and water quality model. The model results revealed that untreated wastewater discharges and inputs from upstream urban areas have a stronger influence, while DP sources such as agricultural and urban runoffs have little influence on the bacteria concentrations. The future scenario analysis reveals that if adequate wastewater treatment can be applied, then the concentrations may decrease up to 98%. Without wastewater treatment, the bacteria concentrations may increase by 75% by the end of this century, due mainly to the population growth. We suggest that people do not bath or fish in the river until major improvements in wastewater treatment are not ensured in the river basin and also the surrounding upstream areas. You can find more details in our articles and websites. Thank you very much.